Hey guys, it's Mrs. Clancy. We're picking back up after where we left off. We finished this problem saying that 12,000 plus 3,200 is 15,200. Okay, so flip it over to number three. Now, these are getting a little bit more complicated, so there's a lot more you have to take into account when we're calculating interest. So this one says find the amount of simple interest earned on a $600 investment after 1.5 years. I use the pointer. If a semi-annual interest rate is 2%. So we underline our key information, $600, 1.5 years, semi-annually, which means 2 times a year at 2%. So we're going to have to add a couple extra steps on the side. So please write these down and pause the video to get them down so we can fill them in. Okay, so we are looking for interest, so that's still being our question mark. Our principal is 600. Our rate is 2%, which is 0.02. Our annual is 2 times a year. So that's important to take care of. And it's for 1.5 years. So a total time that we're going to have to put into our formula is going to be 3. So sometimes you really have to take into consideration this information. All right, fill it into our formula. 600 times 0.02 times 3 is $36. Again, pause this video at any point where you feel like you need to copy stuff down. Lastly, we're looking at number 4. Number 4 is a little different because in this one, we have a $1,500 loan with an annual interest rate of 4.75% on amount borrowed, but how much time, we're looking for time in this one, has elapsed if the interest is now $127.50. So we're still going to use our little guide on the side, underline your information, and write I, P, R, and T. Now for I, we're going to be putting in our interest, which is now $127.50. Principal is still the money we're investing, which is $1,500. And our rate is, this is the wrong decimal. It's supposed to be 0.0475. So please adjust that. And your time is what we're looking for. So when we plug it into the formula, we replace the I with $127.50, the P with $1,500, and the rate with 0.0475. And then we're looking for the T in this one. So how do we find that? Well, first we need to consolidate this side right here. We're going to multiply that and we're going to get 71.25. So you carry everything down except for this changes to 71.25 and you bring your T. Now, how do we get T by itself? Oh, right. We divide by 71.25 on both sides. Lastly, we cross that off and we calculate in our calculator 127.5 times 71.25 and we get 1.78947 years, which is approximately about 1 year and 9.6 months. So these are all the different type of interest problems you're going to get. What I'd like you to do is try on the next page numbers 5 and 6 on your own. And then tomorrow you will complete on 324, 7 through 10. In order to receive credit for today and tomorrow's lessons, you need to send me a picture of your work through email or through the Google Classroom, or actually through Remind if you want also. If you're having a hard time, I can guide you through it. Just remember to contact me at some point during tomorrow. All right, have a good time. I miss seeing you guys. Take care. Bye.